welcome back to Circle Geometry Part 2 of this section. So I want to continue solving questions that involve the Theorem 1 and the Theorem 2 of Circle Geometry. So in the question I have here, I have find the marked angles of the following if O is the center of the circle. So I have A to be this, I have B to be this. So let's see how this goes. So the first question, I'm going to take the solution to that other part of the board. So we have the center of the circle to be 360 degrees. So find y and what? X. So I have the chord of the circle. And also have the radius of the circle. So I have the radius of the circle and I have the midpoint. And this is A, this point is B, this point is C, this is 90 degrees. So this is y and this is what? Angle x. And the whole of this angle at the center is what? 260 degrees. So now let us see how this goes. So we say find angle y and angle x. Solution. You find angle y and also angle what? X. So first of all, I want to let you know that okay, the solution starts from here. Give the solution. Solution starts from here. So I want to let you know that this angle from this point to this place is y. But the whole of this angle here, I want to let it to be theta. The whole of this angle from here to here, I want it to be theta. So that only from this place to this place will be what? Y. So I want the whole of the angle there to be theta. So first of all, I want to look for my theta, and I have O, the round point to this place, to be 260 degrees. To be 260 degrees. So from here down to this place is what? 260 degrees. Then from here to this point, from this point to this point is y. While from this point to this point is what? Theta. So I want to look for my theta. I want to look for my theta. Because if I get my theta, I will get my y. So from there, I have it that theta plus 260 degrees. Theta plus 260 degrees is equal to what? 360 degrees. Reason, this is angle on the point. Angle on a point is 260 degrees. So what's my theta? To making theta show a formula, I have theta to be equal to what? Taking this 260 to the right hand side becomes a minus. So I have 260 minus what? 260 degrees. So theta is equal to what? 100 degrees. So theta is equal to 100 degrees. As simple as that it was. So from this angle down to this angle is what? 100 degrees. So what is our y? And you can see from this diagram that this straight line from the center of the circle to the chord is dividing theta into two equal parts. And one of this angle and this side is equal. So you can also see that from this place, OA and OB, the radius of the circle, and they're also what? Equal. This point is equal. So this angle here is equal to the angle here. So now if the whole of this angle is theta, if I divide by 2, I will have my y. So therefore, y is equal to what? 100 divided by what? 2. This is equal to what? 50 degrees. So my y is equal to 50 degrees. So now the next thing is my x. I want to look for my x. So if this angle y is 50 degrees, that simply means this other part also 50 degrees. This is 50, this is 50. So this other angle here is 50 degrees. So if I bring down this shape down, if I have that shape down, let me not bring down that shape. I have from the center of the circle, which is the line, this is it. I have this to be something like this. This is my B. I'm solving for P. And this is what? 50. This is angle 90. And this is my what? X. This is point O. This is D. And this is what? B. I don't want to bring down this whole shape. This whole shape. If this is 50, this is also what? 50. So now I want to look for X. This is very simple. What am I going to do here? You know, the angles of the triangle is 180 degrees. So I have 50 degrees. So I have 50 degrees plus my x, which is what? S degrees, plus this angle here is 90 degrees. 90 degrees is equals to what? 180 degrees. Reason angle on a triangle. Reason is what? Angle on the what? On a triangle. Very simple. So 50 plus 90 will give me 140. So I have 140 degrees plus what? X equals to what? 180. So making x subject of the formula, I have x to be equals to what? Taking 140 to this other part, it becomes a minus 140. So x degree is equals to 140 minus 180 degrees minus what? 140 degrees will give me what? 40 what? Degrees. So this is for x. So for this question, that is the solution. For this question, y is equals to 50 degrees and x is equals to what? 40 degrees. So this is the second part. This is question 2. This is A, P. So this is the angle. So we want to find what? We want to find angle A. We want to find angle A, this angle here. So this is the geometry. This is the angle. This is the geometry. This is the question. So for me to get angle A, I want to make this point. The center from this place to here is 254 degrees. So what is this inner point? I can tell this inner point to be my what? Z degrees. So what is this inner point? So if I get this inner point, you know that this place, this is OQ. And first of all, I want to let you know that OR is equals to what? OP. This is the radii of a triangle. Radii of the what? Cycle. Radii of the cycle. They are equal. This point is equal to what? This point. So this place is equal to here. So now, I want to get Z, the inner angle. Then the whole of the angle in this place is what? 360. That angle on a point on this point, 360 degrees. So if I have that Z degrees plus 254 degrees is equal to what? 360 degrees. This is what? Angle on a point. Reason angle on a point. This comment is very important. If you don't have this comment, you will lose marks. This comment is what? Very important. So now this is my Z plus this. I want to make Z short of the formula. So I have that Z degrees is equals to what? Taking this to this part, I have it to be 360 degrees. Taking this to this part plus 254. Taking it to the right hand side becomes minus what? 254. So 360 degrees minus 254 will give me 106 what? Degrees. This will give me 106 degrees. So if I have there to be 106 degrees, now I want to look for my A. And I told you that OR is equals to OP. Let me rewrite it. OR is equals to what? OP, radii. Let me rewrite it. Radii. OR is equals to what? OP. So therefore, this angle, or this angle here, is equal to what? This angle here. I can call this angle to be my what? Angle Y. So now let me know that A degree is equals to what? Z degree. A degree is equals to Y degree. Sorry, Y degree. Because this is my what? Y. This angle is equals to what? This angle to what? Radii are what? Equal. So now I have this. I have it to be what? A degrees plus what? A degrees. So this plus this. Since they are the same, I can put A degrees plus A degrees plus what? Z degree is equals to what? 180 degrees. The whole of the angle in this triangle, which is what? Angle on a triangle. Which is angle on a triangle. So now I got it like this. I got this point. I'll solve it in this box. So I got A plus A will give me what? 2A degrees plus my Z degree. What is my Z? My Z is what? 106. 106 degree equals to what? 480 degrees. So now I take this one to this part, I have it to be 2a degrees is equal to 106 to the side, you give me 180 degrees minus 106 what? Degrees. So I put it down, 2a degrees is equal to what? 480 degrees minus what? 106 what? Degrees. So 180 minus 106 will give me 70 what? 4 degrees. So 2a is equals to what? 74 degrees. So 2a equals to 74 degrees. What is a? A is equals to what? 74 divided by what? 2. And 2 in 7 will give me 3. Remainder 1. So in 4, that is 14. 2 in 14 will give me what? 7. That is what? 37. So a is equals to what? 37 what? Degrees. So this is everything you need to know. So since I have this angle, you know from our theorem that OP is equals to what? This. So that this angle is equals to, so if A is equals to 37 degrees, Y also is equals to what? 37 degrees. So now this is all you need to do. You make this, you get this, and you have this. Just apply the theorem, as simple as that. You do this, which is the first one. It's also as simple as what we did. Also as simple as that. Looking for the theta, which I made the theta. I have my y. When I got my y, which is what? 50. Because what I don't divide that place is what? 50. Because this line cuts that place into 2 equal parts. This also applies. This is a triangle. This is a right angle triangle. So everything here is equals to what? 180. So you do your substitution, you get your what? Answer. Also, you can also make it to be angle 90. You can also make here to be angle 90. You can also make it to be what? 50 degrees plus x equals to what? 90. Angle on the right angle triangle. On the right angle what? Triangle. So x is equals to what? 90 minus what? 50. X is equals to what? 40 what? Degrees. So you can make it like this, you can make it like this. It's still the same thing. It's still the same thing. It's still the same thing. So this can go, this can go. You're good to go. So this is all for the part 2. The next part, we're going to be entering the next theorem. My next video will be on the next theorem of circle geometry, where we are talking about angle subtend at the center of the cycle is twice the angle subtend at the circumference of a what? Cycle. We are going to talk about that theorem and prove that theorem and ask questions on that theorem. I still remain man of principle. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.